Hello everyone. In this video, it will be shown how to buy stocks on Merrill Edge. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. To get started, log into your Merrill Edge account. Once on the home page, navigate to the trade section and select the option to place a stock trade. Enter the ticker symbol of the stock you would like to purchase. After entering the symbol, review the quote information to confirm that the correct stock has been selected. Once verified, choose Buy as the transaction type. Next, select the account where the stock will be purchased. Enter the number of shares you would like to buy. Depending on the available options, you may also be able to enter a dollar amount if fractional share investing is supported for the selected stock. After entering the quantity, choose the order type. A market order will generally purchase the stock at the next available market price during trading hours. Other order types, such as limit orders, may also be available depending on your investment strategy. Once all order details have been entered, click Preview Order. Merrill Edge will display a summary of the transaction, including the stock being purchased, the selected account, the number of shares, the order type, and the estimated cost of the trade. Carefully review all of the information to ensure everything is correct. If any changes are needed, they can be made before submitting the order. If all the details look accurate, click Submit Order. After the order has been submitted, Merrill Edge will process the trade according to the selected order type. Once the order has been executed, the shares will appear in the selected account and a confirmation of the transaction will be available in the Account Activity or Order History section. And that's all there is to it. Also, these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. If you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, there's a detailed review that goes over everything you need to know. The video should be up on your screen right now, so just click it to start watching.